Hi friends, in this video I will tell you how to do the matrix multiplication using scientific calculator of model number fx-991EX. So let's get started. Here I have an example of 3 into 3 matrix multiplication. So let's start the multiplication of 3 into 3 matrix. So first what we have to do is we have to turn on the scientific calculator. Then we have to press this button, which is menu setup. Just press this. Then here we can see the name. Now we have to go to the name given matrix. So here I found out it is given here matrix. Just click 4, the number. I clicked on it, and now we have to choose which matrix. So here I will choose matrix A, which is number 1. And now it is asking how many number of rows does matrix A have. So here I can see that matrix A has 3 rows, 1 2 3. So it has 3 rows. I will type 3. How many columns does it have? I will type 3 as it has 3 columns. Now we have to take these elements and write it over here. So the first element is 1 2 4. First element is 1. Click is equal to sign. Here we can see that the first element. Then the second element is 2 and then press is equal to sign. Third element is 4 and so on. Okay, so I have finished the first matrix, which is matrix A. Now I have to click on this button, which is option. Click on this, and now we have to choose matrix B. So now click 1 for define matrix. We have already chosen matrix A. Now we have to click on matrix B, which is 2. How many numbers of row does matrix B have? So here we can see that 3 rows are there. 3 and columns are also 3. Now we will fill the elements. 2 3 4. 2 is equals to 3 is equals to 4 is equals to 1 is equals to 6 is equals to 0 is equals to 1 is equals to 9 is equals to and 2 is equals to. So I have filled the second matrix. Now we have to press option button, press it, and now we want to calculate it. So just press 3. So now we can see that the matrix calculation option is here. Now press option. Now we can see that the number of matrix A is 3. Click 3. So here it is matrix A, and we have to multiply. So multiplication sign multiplied by matrix B. Click on option, and the number of matrix B is 4. Click 4, and now we can see that matrix A into matrix B. Click is equal to sign, and here we got it. This is the matrix which will come after multiplying these two matrices. So this is the matrix. This is the answer of the matrix multiplication. So now let's try the second question, which is given over here. So this is the second question. Now let's go for question number 2. This is the question. Here we can see that the first matrix is of order 2 cross 3, as there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So just you have to do the same thing. Okay, first you have to click menu setup option. Then here we can see number 4, which is for matrices. You can also see here. Press 4, and now we will choose matrix A, which is 1. Matrix A, how many number of rows does it have? Here we can clearly see that it has 2 rows, 1 and 2. So 2 rows, click 2. how many columns does it have? So here we can see that 1, 2 and 3 columns it has. So click 3, and here we can see that the same matrix. Okay, now we will type the number on it. 0 minus 3 1, 0 sorry 0 is equals to minus 3 is equals to 1 is equals to, then minus 4 to 0, minus 4 is equals to 2 is equals to 0 is equals to. So here we got our first matrix, which is matrix A. Now click on option, and here we will choose the second matrix. We will click first button. Okay, now we will choose the second matrix, which is matrix B. We will click 2. Okay, now how many number of rows are there in matrix B? We can see first row, second row and third row. There are 3 rows in matrix B. And now number of columns it is asking. So here first column and the second column, 2 columns are there. So we will click 2. So here we got our matrix B. Now we will just put the values. 0 is equals to, the second value is 1, 6 minus 3, 1 is equals to, 6 is equals to, minus 3 is equals to 9 and 5. 9 is equals to 5 is equals to. Now we will click on option button. Now what we will do is we will do the matrix calculation. So click 3. So here we will do the calculation. Click option. Now here we have the number of matrix A, which is 3. Click on it. Here we got matrix A, and as we have to do the matrix multiplication, so we will use multiplication sign. Now again click option button. Now click matrix B, which is number 4. Now matrix A into matrix B, click is equals to sign, and here we got our matrix. So this is the matrix obtained after multiplication. So this is how much easy it is. If you do practice each and every day, you will be easily calculating it within a minute. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you on the next one.